Question: which out of the following is the correct equation to show change in molar conductivity with respect to concentration for a weak electrolyte, if the symbols carry their usual meaning? Let Ha be the weak electrolyte. This dissociates to give H plus and A minus ion. If the initial concentration is 1 m, then initially concentration of Ha, this is aqueous solution, this is 1 m and H plus ion is 0 and A minus ion is 0. If degree of dissociation is alpha, then out of 1 alpha moles dissociate, alpha moles of H plus ion and alpha moles of A minus ions form. Now when the concentration is C moles per liter, then all the values get multiplied by C. Therefore C into 1 minus alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Value of Ka will be equal to concentration of H plus ion multiplied by concentration of A minus ion divided by concentration of the weak electrolyte. Putting the values, this is C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha. C gets cancelled. Rearranging the equation, Ka into 1 minus alpha is equal to C alpha square, and this can be written as C alpha square plus Ka alpha minus Ka is equal to 0. अब अल्फा की जो वैल्यू है, it can be written as, it is equal to conductance of the electrolyte at a given concentration divided by conductance of the electrolyte at infinite dilution, or it can also be said limiting molar conductance. Putting the value of alpha in this equation 1, the equation 1 becomes C into lambda square m divided by lambda naught square m plus Ka into lambda m divided by lambda naught m minus Ka is equal to 0. Now taking 1 by lambda naught m as common, inside the bracket lambda square m divided by lambda naught m into C plus Ka into lambda m minus Ka into lambda naught m, and this is equal to 0. Now rearranging this equation, the final equation is lambda naught m, when it goes to the right hand side it becomes 0, and the final equation is lambda square m by lambda naught m into C plus Ka into lambda m minus Ka into lambda naught m, this is equal to 0. Now multiplying both the sides of the equation 2, that is both left hand side of the equation and right hand side of the equation, by lambda naught m. The final equation is lambda square m into C plus Ka into lambda m into lambda naught m minus Ka into lambda naught square m. This is the final equation and this is equal to 0. So option 1 is the correct option. This equation 2, it is multiplied on both the sides by lambda naught m. Then we get this final equation.